In Ghana, the Supreme Court rejected two bids to overturn a bill that would roll back LGBTQ+ rights. The Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill could lead to jail terms for people in same-sex relations. It was approved by MPs in February, but can only become law if ratified by outgoing President Nana Akufo-Addo or President-elect John Mahama. Now, the proposed changes are popular in Ghana, but have attracted criticism from human rights bodies around the world, and its own finance ministries warned that the bill could have serious economic repercussions. Justice Baidu talks us through.
The petition challenging the bill had been brought to the country's highest court on the grounds that it violated several human rights and ran contrary to the country's constitution. Among other penalties, the proposed bill proposes a 10-year jail term for anyone who is caught showing any sense of romance between people of the same sex. It also proposes a 6-month jail term for anyone who produces or procures any items that seek to promote LGBTQ activity. It also places a ban on activism around LGBTQ issues in Ghana.
The plaintiff's writ does not properly invoke the exclusive jurisdiction of this court. We are of the view that the subject of the litigation, being a bill still undergoing the process of becoming law, in accordance with the provisions fully set out in the Constitution, it will be premature for this court to exercise its interpretive and enforcement jurisdiction to intervene. Consequently, we think that the action fails. It is accordingly dismissed.
The petitioners, a journalist and academic, have said they would wait for the full ruling, which comes out at the end of this week, to determine their next line of action.
We did not go to court on the contents, on the provisions of the bill. We were proceeding on Article 108, that this is a private member's bill, and based on that, certain procedures needed to be followed. So we want to see what the judgment is and what the arguments have been made concerning what we raised in the application.
The bill, known formally as the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill, enjoys huge support from Ghana's largely religious population.